Thrustmaster T98 Setup Guide. First, unbox everything. Make sure you have the wheelbase, Ferrari 296 GTB steering wheel, pedals, desk lamp, and USB cable. Second, mount the wheel to your desk, place the wheel on the edge of the desk, insert the clamp underneath, and tighten it firmly. Don't try to over tighten the clamp though. Third, connect the pedals, plug the pedal cable into the back of the wheelbase, push the connector fully in so the pedals work correctly, and then connect it to your computer or PlayStation. The LEDs should switch to green if you're on a computer, blue if you're on a PlayStation, and if red if there's an alternative compatibility mode. Now, fifth, change the steering profiles. The wheel includes multiple steering presets: red for easier or beginner, yellow for balance, and green for more realistic. Use the Ferrari style selector dial to switch between them. Then test it on a racing game. Popular supported games are Gran Turismo 7, Assetto Corsa, Forza Horizon 5 or 6, and EA Sports WRC. The common problems are: if the wheels is not detected, simply reconnect the USB, restart your console or computer, and avoid USB hubs. If the pedals are not working, reconnect the pedal cable, restart the game, and check for control bindings. If the steering wheel is too sensitive, switch between modes so you have the red mode, yellow mode, and green mode. And there you go. That's how you set up the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB steering wheel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful or the tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.